Hello and welcome. This is Explain That in this how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos. So first, open up your browser, go to YouTube Studio. Make sure that you are logged into that account in your YouTube channel that you want to edit on the video on. So just go to the content and go to the specific video that you want. So for example, this Minecraft video. As you can see, since the subtitles is still grayed out, you need to choose on a language. So first, go to the subtitles section at the left side corner. As you can see, now we're going to set the language. So for example, if I'm going to set up it Filipino and just type on confirm. So you could also add language here later on. So just go back again to the details. Go to the subtitles submenu. So this will return you to the UI itself. You can choose also like add manually or you can add it automatically. Depends on whatever you want. But make sure that the automatic one is edited as well. And that should be it.